I was sitting in the meeting room at the end of a very long and hot summer's day. There were stacks of reports on the table, which was going to take hours to read. All I could hear was the air conditioning unit running overtime to try and cool the office, and I was exhausted. A few months earlier, I had bought back a business I had successfully scaled and sold several years earlier. I felt like I was on a luggage carousel at the airport, going round and round in circles, reliving the same problems day in, day out. It was like I was in that film, Groundhog Day. You see, I found myself in a situation where nothing was working how it should. The team were demotivated, systems non-existent, and the bank is chasing for their money, and we had to fix it fast. We have negative finance, negative culture, and poor customer and supplier relationships. The focus was to rebuild the business with a great culture and excellent systems, so the team could run the business whilst the senior management team focused on the future success of the company. I'd inherited a business where some of the challenges I'd not faced before. I knew I needed expert external advice. The decision was an easy one to make, and I needed a coach or mentor with hands-on experience of scaling their own businesses. I was sat with my coach, and we were talking through the challenges I was facing in the business. As the discussions went on, the coach reached into his briefcase, pulled out some paper, and started to explain to me how some simple tools could help fix the challenges I was experiencing. Now, these tools were simple. They were extremely simple, but incredibly powerful. Far too many people this day and age overcomplicate things. If you want to grow a business, you've got a small team, then I would highly recommend keeping everything as basic as possible. Really clear and easy to communicate with your team, with your customers, with your suppliers. So anyway, back to the story. The coach showed me some simple tools I could use to fix some of the problems. And when I say simple, I mean incredibly simple. As the coach is talking through the challenges that I had and the tools to use, I realized I could fix most of the challenges, most of the problems in the business by building a system. And I'm not talking about computer software system. I'm talking about a workflow and a process to follow. So over the next 36 months, working hand in hand with my coach, I built and fine-tuned the system that would help almost any B2B business scale while staying in control, allowing the owners and senior management team time to focus on the important future development of the company whilst the team run the business. Business growth made easy is the most effective way to win more clients faster, increase sales, make more money, and spend more time on the important actions rather than the transactional ones. The reason I share this with you is having a system you can follow, track and monitor on a daily basis, which shows you the pulse of your business, whether things are working well and whether things need adjusting. This will mean that you can walk into the office on a daily basis knowing how you and your team and your business is performing within 5 minutes of reviewing the information. If you would like to find out more about business growth made easy, send me a DM, growth, and I will get back to you with further information. Please don't forget to like and comment. And if you want to be notified when I'm next online, live, or have uploaded new content, please hit the follow.